How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the OpenRGB not detecting our devices. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your devices is supported on OpenRGB. Head over to the OpenRGB application. In here, click on the setting button, and we have a separate category for supported devices. You just want to make sure that your devices is on this specific list. We have a lot of softwares that we can go ahead and check out, and if you want, you can also filter out your program by heading over to the search bar right here. Now, if it's supported but still not being detected with the OpenRGB, you then want to exit out of OpenRGB, and basically we need to run the program as administrator. This will enable the OpenRGB application to install some background drivers that is necessary in order to connect with other devices. So from here, just click on OpenRGB, select the show more option, and then click run as administrator. From there, you then want to click on the yes button, and then it will run the OpenRGB accordingly. Once inside the program, just click on the rescan devices option, and from there you will be able to see your supported device right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.